Artificial intelligence is creating thousands of new jobs, but here's the confusion. Do you need to know coding to work in AI, or can you build an AI career without being a programmer? In this video, you'll clearly understand the difference between technical AI careers and non-technical AI careers, what skills each path requires, and how to choose the right one for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where you fit. AI is no longer just research. It powers cybersecurity systems, business automation, enterprise decision-making, and cloud platforms. Organizations adopting AI need both people who build AI systems and people who manage, apply, and scale AI solutions. Let's break this into two clear paths. Technical AI careers. Roles involve building, implementing, or optimizing AI systems. If you enjoy coding, data, and problem solving, this path may fit you. What AI/ML engineer actually do? An AI or machine learning engineer designs and deploys models that allow machines to learn from data. Their responsibilities include preparing and cleaning datasets, selecting and training machine learning models, testing model performance, deploying models into real-world systems. They work with tools like Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn. They often operate in environments such as cloud platforms, enterprise data systems, security monitoring systems. For example, when a cybersecurity tool detects anomalies using machine learning, engineers are the ones behind that logic. Now let's talk about data handling and model usage. A major part of technical AI roles is data handling. This includes data preprocessing, feature engineering, handling structured and unstructured data, working with large datasets. Model usage means selecting the right algorithm, training models, evaluating performance, improving accuracy. This is analytical and math-driven work. If you enjoy statistics and logic, this area is strong for you.
Tool-based implementation. Not every technical AI role builds models from scratch. Some professionals integrate pre-trained AI models, implement AI APIs, deploy AI tools in enterprise environments. For example, using generative AI APIs in enterprise applications, or integrating AI-based automation into business software. These roles are technical, but often more application-focused than research-heavy.
Non-technical AI careers. Now here's the important part. Not everyone in AI writes code. Many high-impact AI roles focus on strategy, implementation, and business outcomes. AI Business Analyst. An AI business analyst connects AI systems with business goals. They identify automation opportunities, translate business needs into AI requirements, work with technical teams, evaluate ROI of AI projects. They do not build models. Instead, they ensure AI solutions solve real problems. For example, a company wants to reduce fraud using AI. The analyst defines what fraud means, what data is needed, what success looks like. This role requires analytical thinking, communication skills, business understanding. Coding is minimal or sometimes not required.
AI product managers and AI project managers focus on execution. They define AI product roadmaps, coordinate between engineers and stakeholders, manage timelines, ensure delivery. In AI-driven project environments, understanding how AI systems work is helpful, but deep coding knowledge is not mandatory.
With the rise of AI-driven project management, professionals who understand automation tools and AI-based workflow optimization are in demand. These roles are ideal for professionals with management background, operations experience, strategic thinking skills. Now, let's simplify this clearly. If you're someone who enjoys programming, if writing code feels exciting, not intimidating, if you're comfortable working with mathematics and statistics, and you enjoy solving complex technical problems, then coding-heavy AI roles might be the right path for you. These careers focus on building, training, and improving AI models. You're not just using AI, you're creating it. Some common examples include AI engineer, machine learning engineer, and data scientist. If you love the technical side of AI, this is where you belong. Now, let's talk about another path. Low-code or tool-based roles. These roles require you to understand how AI tools work, but you don't need deep programming expertise. You focus on using platforms,
configuring systems, and making sure AI solutions are implemented correctly. Some examples include AI implementation specialist, automation consultant, and AI integration specialist. In these roles, you're applying AI technology, not building it from scratch. And then there's the strategic path, business decision roles. If you prefer strategic work like AI Business Analyst, AI Product Manager, AI Project Manager, here your focus is impact, not algorithms.
Once you know your AI direction, the next step is structured learning, and that's where UCertify fits in. If you're choosing the technical path, the AI career track builds your foundation in machine learning, data handling, and model understanding. If you're leaning strategic, AI-driven project management helps you lead teams and implement AI effectively. And for business-focused professionals, Generative AI for Enterprise shows how to apply AI tools in real-world organizational settings. The key is simple: align your learning with your career path.
So, how do you decide? Ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, do I genuinely enjoy coding and solving technical problems? If yes, you should lean toward technical AI roles. Second, do I enjoy analyzing business challenges and defining practical solutions? If yes, consider business analyst or product-focused roles. Third, do I enjoy managing people, timelines, and making sure projects get delivered successfully? Then AI project roles may be the right fit. And remember this, AI is not just engineering, it's an ecosystem.
Let's make this very clear. Technical AI roles are focused on building and optimizing systems. They are coding-heavy. They are deeply data-driven. These professionals design models, train algorithms, and improve performance. On the other hand, non-technical AI roles focus on aligning AI with business goals. They manage execution. They ensure projects deliver measurable value. Their priority is not the algorithm, it's the outcome. And remember, both paths are essential. Without engineers, AI doesn't exist. Without strategists, AI doesn't scale.
Now you understand the difference between technical and non-technical AI careers. In the next video, we'll break down how to move from beginner to job-ready in AI step by step. If you're serious about building a future-proof career in AI, start by identifying your path, then build skills intentionally. AI rewards clarity. And now, you have it. Subscribe now for more insights like this.